First, we're gonna go to settings. In the settings, scroll down and choose apps. And then over here we have the app lock. So let's select it, turn on the app lock, and then we can set up the password in case you want to use a different type. Press change password at the bottom. I'm gonna use a simple PIN code in this example. Then press next, enter the password again, and there we go. You can also use the Xiaomi account to be able to reset password, so if you want to do so, press add or not now. There we go. If you decide to do this, actually if you decide to not use Xiaomi account, then we can press not now. Now over here we have some suggestions of what should be locked, or what could be locked, but we can tap in order to uncheck, and then we can proceed by pressing use app lock. Verify yourself. You can also use the fingerprint, of course. Here in the top right corner we have settings in case you need them, but essentially here is the list of apps, and you can tap on the switcher in order to lock an app. So you can choose whatever should be locked. Now if you try to open these apps, you will need to verify yourself by using the fingerprint or by using the password. Check out this playlist to find more guides. Like, comment, subscribe.